Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to another my YouTube video. Hope you all are doing great. Today I will show you how to make the sesame fried chicken at home. So let's kick start to make this delicious dish. 1 tablespoon tikka masala, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, salt to taste as you like, pinch of yellow food color, 1 tablespoon vinegar, add 1 egg and mix it well. Mix all the ingredients well and have it for marination for 2 hours. Spread sesame seeds on the top of marinated chicken. Fry on low flame to medium flame until golden brown. And your sesame fried chicken is ready to eat. Hope you like my video. For more new videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.